Learn English tenses with daily used verbs. I was buying. I am buying. I will be buying. He was buying. He is buying. He will be buying. She was buying. She is buying. She will be buying. We were buying. We are buying. We will be buying. You were buying. You are buying. You will be buying. They were buying. They are buying. They will be buying. I was paying. I am paying. I will be paying. He was paying. He is paying. He will be paying. She was paying. She is paying. She will be paying. We were paying. We are paying. We will be paying. You are paying. You are paying. You will be paying. They were paying. They are paying. They will be paying. I was calling. I am calling. I will be calling. He was calling. He is calling. He will be calling. She was calling. She is calling. She will be calling. We were calling. We are calling. We will be calling. You are calling. You are calling. You will be calling. They were calling. They are calling. They will be calling. I was adding. I am adding. I will be adding. He was adding. He is adding. He will be adding. She was adding. She is adding. She will be adding. We were adding. We are adding. We will be adding. You were adding. You are adding. You will be adding. They were adding. They are adding. They will be adding. I was sitting. I am sitting. I will be sitting. He was sitting. He is sitting. He will be sitting. She was sitting. She is sitting. She will be sitting. We were sitting. We are sitting. We will be sitting. You were sitting. You are sitting. You will be sitting. They were sitting. They are sitting. They will be sitting. I was acting. I am acting. I will be acting. He was acting. He is acting. He will be acting. She was acting. She is acting. She will be acting. We were acting. We are acting. We will be acting. You were acting. You are acting. You will be acting. They were acting. They are acting. They will be acting. I was using. I am using. I will be using. He was using. He is using. He will be using. She was using. She is using. She will be using. We were using. We are using. We will be using. You were using. You are using. You will be using. They were using. They are using. They will be using. I was trying. I am trying. I will be trying. He was trying. He is trying. He will be trying. She was trying. She is trying. She will be trying. We were trying. We are trying. We will be trying. You were trying. You are trying. You will be trying. They were trying. They are trying. They will be trying. I was asking. I am asking. I will be asking. He was asking. He is asking. He will be asking. She was asking. She is asking. She will be asking. We were asking. We are asking. We will be asking. You were asking. You are asking. You will be asking. They were asking. They are asking. They will be trying. I was crying. I am crying. I will be crying. He was crying. He is crying. He will be crying. She was crying. She is crying. She will be crying. We were crying. We are crying. We will be crying. You were crying. You are crying. You will be crying. They were crying. They are crying. They will be crying.